This is the demonstration video of the web-based application of the Carolyn. Initially, we were having only application which allowed the user to switch between the Wi-Fi compatibility to Bluetooth compatibility, and over the application, only one single button was present, which was start button. So whenever the user would press that button, the whole reaction process would be started. But on the basis of the review and the feedbacks we received from our mentors during the sessions, we came up with this web-based application which has various features. Like, this is a dashboard of the application whenever which shows the basic information like the battery health, what's the AI surety level, what were the last detections, total detections done in the day, total sound activations, along with the detection activity of the last 7 days, and it also has some recent alerts for the user. Then it has a live monitoring feed where the whole camera feed would be displayed. The user can pause the feed or resume the feed whenever it's required. Whenever the animal would be detected, it would show the surety level of the AI that would find the type of the particular animal, its distance from the farm, also the threat level from the particular animal, and the time at which it was detected. It also has a night mode system. So right now the night mode has been disabled, and if I want to activate it, I have to press it again. IR assisted view on, night mode enabled. This is the detection history of the intruders, which this is the complete history. This data serves as the testing training data for the machine ML based machine so that it can improve its decision. This is the AI confidence surety level, and it also gives the threat level from a particular animal. User can filter out the animals if they need to see reports of a particular respected animal. This is the sound control option where the user is provided with various options. Like the operating mode, user can switch it from manual to automatic to silent if they need it. So if I right now I take it to automatic. This is the sound intensity where the user can customize the sound intensity of the sonic boom that would be produced. The emergency activation button, whenever this would be pressed, the current will work on its full potential, and if I activate this cycle, all these reaction would take place, and user will be able to see the progress of each and every system. If I activate this and go to the reaction system, the carbide came into the chamber along with the water from here. Now the gas is getting formed. Like, all the steps are listed down here. After the complete buildup of the gas, the electric lighter would ignite the gas and a combustion of the gas would take place. Along with the combustion, a sonic boom sound would be produced. Like this, after the completion of the cycle, the excess acetylene gas would be passed through MOF sheet so that it gets absorbed by it. It also shows the calcium carbide left in the tank, water left in the tank after the reaction. Also shows the state are these components in working conditions right now. If the user refills the carbide and water refill tanks, then it would be again set to 100. So use after refilling them, the user have to click this button so the data is updated into the machine. Then it has Malum MOF sheet management. So Malum MOF sheet usually absorbs the excess acetylene gas, which usually works for 45 days. If the user replaces the sheet, then they just have to press the replace sheet button after replacing it, and then it would show the details, last replace date and next replacement required date. This is the farm map. The green region is a protected boundary. The center dot is the coordinate device. It The zones marked on the map like zone A, zone B, zone C shows the intruders which are present in the farm. The blue dots are the intruders which are present, and it also gives the direction and the movement patterns of the particular intruders. It also has an analytics option where all the analytical report is present, like the detections done per week, sound activation, peak detection hours, battery history, and various other features. It also has a monthly species breakdown, which would give the user an estimate like what different kind of intruders usually enter their farm. It has solar energy generated graph also, so it would tell the user like how much energy was taken from solar. Also it has AI detection surety accuracy map also, so it's usually more than 90 to 92%. Also has daily chemical consumption and various other features which user can explore. It has a weekly report which gives the same report on the weekly basis and has each and everything information like total detections done in the week, average AI confidence detections, deterrent activations, what amount of water and MOF was consumed along with the carbide. And user can also export this report as a PDF if they require it. Then it has the weekly animal detection summary. So right now the wild boar is on top, as in this week 18 times wild boars were detected. Along with it, it would give the weekly graph charts so the user can analyze it. It has a notification center where all the notifications are displayed. User can check them and cross them if they don't need them further. Then it has device setting option where the user can change the dark mode, and it has auto updates option also. If the user doesn't knows English or any other language, user can change the language depending upon their need. It also has the feature to change the camera quality. So if the camera supports various qualities, user can also change the camera quality from here. User can also change sensitivity, sound level, and deterrence distance from it. It would change the covering radius of the CARNet device. This is the profile section where the user can update the personal information about the farm, about themselves, and their mobile number. Like right now, the person is having a 6.2 acres farm. Then in the about CARNet section, their features of the CARNet are present, and in the help center, our contact support number along with the technical team mail ID is present, and various FAQs and some troubleshooting options are present. So this was the walkthrough of the whole website. So this was the working demonstration of the web-based application of the CARNet. Our motive behind this was to create a perfect application where the user is provided with all the features and along with all the analytical reports of their farm, so which helps them to improve their experience also with respect to the device, and also they can check like how many types of intruders enters their farm, what are their activities, and what's the threat level from that particular animal. So this was the advanced application that we created.